Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Confirm backups and note recent installs so you can reverse changes later. Once done, reboot into the recovery menu, use Settings Update and Security Recovery, or hold Shift and click Restart to get there. Make sure to pick Safe Mode or Safe Mode with networking depending on whether you need internet, and sign in with an administrator account. This isolates drivers and services so you can diagnose software conflicts without unnecessary processes interfering. Once inside Safe Mode, focus on drivers and services that often cause boot loops. You should open Device Manager and roll back or disable drivers updated right before the issue began. Graphics and network drivers are common culprits. Then run msconfig, disable non-Microsoft services, and reboot to see if the problem clears. Also execute SFC and DISM scans to repair corrupted system files. Run SFC/scano, and then DISM/online/cleanupimage. To finish, re-enable drivers and services one at a time and reboot after each change so you can pinpoint the offending component. If the issue persists, use System Restore to revert to a known good point, or run a Safe Mode command prompt for advanced tools. As a last resort, prepare for a clean install. Make sure you document every change and create a restore point before major steps. If something goes wrong, restore the last restore point and repeat the isolation process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.